Yo guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks, and today I have a brand new pickup from StockX. Now I usually don't go off StockX and go to pick up shoes. I try to just get them for retail, but when I do pick them up from a place like that, I want to always do an unboxing for you guys, so that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. So let's just hop right into it. Alright, so now that we got that open, let's go ahead and take a look at what's in here. And you see we get a white Nike box right here that says Force. So one of the main reasons I don't like buying shoes off resale is because how good fakes have gotten now. I really don't want to be spending a whole lot of money and end up getting something fake in return. So I usually just, if I miss out, I just pass. These right here are by one of my favorite artists out right now. I had to pick these up, and right off the bat I'm already seeing good signs for authenticity. You see we get the label right there, that's the Air Force One for Travis Scott. And then you also get a nice kick sticker on there. So that's a pretty good sign for me. So let's go ahead and get this box open. Alright, so I kind of had to fold this part out. I think it was this big card that got stuck in there. But let me put that down. The first thing I get right here is a little StockX card, of course, that comes with all their stuff. The receipt, I'm assuming, I paid $394 for this shoe. So price has jumped like substantially. Right out of the box we get the Travis Scott different swooshes you can put. It's the flame ones right here that kind of move when you kind of tilt it. Some like honeycomb patternish kind right there. I think those are really dope. I thought these were patches right here, but they're not. It's just like on there. And then on the back it says 8.5 to 11. 8 to 11.5, my bad. So I'm guessing with the smaller, I guess like this. Oh, I don't even know if they made these in a 7 because that's a kid's shoe. Probably like 12 to 13, they use a different swoosh because it's probably just a bigger one. So yeah, that's why I really like these. I like Travis Scott as a rapper. And plus, just being able to customize these to the way I want is awesome. After that, you get some paper. It's kind of hard to see, but it says Force all over it. But it's only like when you see it in the shadow. So it's like really, really light. Then we get it right here, and there's other swooshes that are on there, and these are just dope. So here's the shoe up close and personal. You get the StockX tag on there, which actually has a QR code on the back, which I guess is new. But yeah, so these are Velcro. You just kind of pull that off right there. You also get some patches on the tongue. This one right here is a Cactus Jack. You get the little lace dubras right here, which is his grill. And this one right here actually says Cactus Jack with the same lace dubray there. And both swooshes on both sides and both shoes are the same. It's like a chrome. Just definitely my favorite out of the pack. But that is going to be it for this one, guys. I just want to do a quick unboxing for you guys before I pop these on. There will be a full in-depth review coming soon. Just keep your eyes peeled for that. That is going to be it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. And I'll catch you guys next time.